हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे जो छाड़ू से आम स्टार्ट करवा। डिजीज डायबिटीज मेनली इफेक्टेड इन pancreas. Disease tuberculosis mainly affected to lungs. BCG vaccine Bacillus calmette guerin is injected to get immunity for tuberculosis (TB). BCG vaccination is to be given to newborn child is within 48 hours. The disease diphtheria mainly affect respiratory tract. Next, the disease cholera mainly affect intestine. The disease tetanus mainly affect central nerve system. Next, the disease pneumonia mainly affect lungs. Disease typhoid mainly affect intestine. Disease anthrax mainly affected skin and intestine. The disease gonorrhea mainly affect in urinary tract or sexual disease. Disease syphilis mainly affect urinary tract sexual disease. Next, disease jaundice associated with the organs liver. Next, which part of the body affected by drinking alcohol? Liver. The disease rabies is associated with organs of nerve system. The virus of AIDS affected growth of T cell in blood. Which two organs are affected by malaria? Spleen and liver. Which part of body affected of pyorrhea? Gums. The disease herbs mainly affected skin. Next, after how much time the rash appear on the body after attack measles? 1 day. The leukemia or blood cancer characterized by abnormal increase of WBC. Which disease affect to the people working on factory? Ulcer. Disease caused by mercury waste is known as Minamata. Mercury Minamata disease होता है. Sugar cypress is used for the prevention of fruit because it drain moisture of inhibit growth of microorganisms. Glucose syrup is made for maize. Next, cholera, typhoid, dysentery, lukewarm, and diarrhea are typical examples of waterborne disease. Tuberculosis, influenza, and smallpox are typically examples of airborne disease. Malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Plague is caused by rat flea. Next, relapsing fever is caused by lice. Sand fever caused by sand fly. Kala-jor caused by bed bugs. Dengue fever caused by Culex mosquito. The sleeping sickness caused by Trypanosome brachium rhyoidesis. The vaccine for smallpox was discovered in Edward Jenner 1786. Vaccine cholera was discovered by Louis Pasteur 1880. The vaccine for diphtheria and tetanus was discovered by Emil Adolf von Belding and Sibelius for Christchurch in 1891. Vaccine TB discovered by Leon Calmette and Kalimi Guerin 1922. Vaccine polio was discovered by E. Jones E. Salk in 1954. The vaccine for oval polio was discovered by Albert Bruce Sabin in 1955. The vaccine for measles was discovered by John F. Endor in 1960. The vaccine for rabies was discovered by typhus vaccine Carl Nichols in 1909. Next. The Ebola virus named after the virus Ebola which located in Democratic Republic of Congo. Which region of is declared as the first malaria free region in the world? Right answer is Europe. ଆଜିର क्वेश्चन आंसर आम एथिक रखा नेक्स्ट आम प्लांट एंड प्लांट सिस्टम रे नेक्स्ट करवा थैंक यू सो मच एंड प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब लाइक शेयर कमेंट माय यूट्यूब चैनल।